is bigger than 50. 40 is less than 50. So we've got a fish that randomly appears somewhere on the screen, and then he swims all the way across the right hand side, and when he gets there, absolutely nothing happens because there's no instruction for anything to happen. I'm just going to press stop for a moment. You see, the thing is, what I really want to happen is for the fish to swim across, and if he gets to that side, then go back to the beginning and randomly appear somewhere else. So he's going that way, and then maybe he comes back and he goes that way. And the whole point is the shark has got to try and catch him. So how can I make it so that if the fish gets to here, then go back to the beginning? Well, here we go. There's a command here that says in control, if. And what we have is the following. If I am on the fish and I go to motion, down the very bottom of motion, but I'll pull it to the top now, is X position, Y position and direction. So at any moment in time, Scratch knows the X position of the fish, the Y position of the fish and the direction that it's travelling in. So here's the thing. If the X value or the X position of the fish is greater than, now we know that the edge is 240. Now my fish is only changing by 3 each time, so it goes, if he starts from the middle here, 3, 6, 9, 12. I'm not going to carry on to 240, that will take a long time. But the whole point being is that I don't know the exact number because I don't know my 3 times tables. But one thing I do know is if the edge is 240, then you know the fish is going to be, once it hits 200, once it goes above 230 of the X value, it's pretty close to the edge. So what we can say is if the X position of the fish is more than 230, then go back to the beginning and start again. But here's the thing. All you really need is one operator. Now let's get this right. Let's deal with something that I have a problem with lots of students. I'm going to pull these two out here. 60 is bigger than 50. 40 is less than 50. And I think the rule in maths is, isn't it the crocodile eats the bigger number? Because look, that looks like, that looks like a crocodile's mouth, then the 60 is bigger than the 50, so the crocodile eats the bigger number. And here, the 40 is, I'm patronising, aren't I? 50 is bigger than 40, 50 is the bigger number, eat it. 60 is the bigger number, eat it. But the one thing is for sure, what we have said is that, if we just pop that back over there for the moment, so I don't want to give it to you. We want to say if the X position of the fish is greater than, bigger than 230, go back to the beginning and start again. Go back to the beginning and pick around. We already have that. Look. And you can right click and duplicate blocks. I'll put it down there. So that's my task. You're going to change this so that the fish is going to swim to the right, and when he gets to the right, he's going to randomly go back to the beginning and swim again from somewhere new. See if you can make it work.